Hi there, my name is Davidson Abhishekam, and I'm an author and a trainer, a business trainer, and I've just completed a 2-day program with Arthur Kamazi on an MBA expert, and I'd just like to tell you a little bit about the program and about Arthur and his team. The program was everything that it promised it would be. We gained a lot of value out of this program in these last 2 days. We had a lot of fun. It was a lot of work, but we also get to take back something tangible that we can actually use back at work, really use back at work. And I believe it has a lot of value, and I'm really happy that I invested in this 2-day program over this weekend. Just a little bit about Arthur and his team. Of course, his team and his whole family actually surprised me. So very family oriented and friendly, and we had a lot of fun. And his team is also very excellent in everything that they do in terms of their work and their quality. So the promises they made were delivered, and I'm very happy to have been part of this 2-day course. I would highly recommend Arthur and his team to anyone who's interested in any of these programs. Thank you.